This is Monty with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors. And one of the questions we hear quite often when people come into the store shopping for floor coverings is which type of floor covering or flooring category is suitable for whatever the room may be that they're trying to get new floor covering for. And one of the things you have to remember that all flooring, whether it's carpet, laminate, tile, hardwood, and list goes on and on and on, they each have their advantages and disadvantages. But one thing that we have found to be very, very true is that no matter what type of floor covering you purchase and we install into your home, it's only going to perform as well as it's being maintained. So maintenance is a key ingredient to a long life for a floor covering, no matter what type of floor covering it is. Very similar to ourselves, or the human bodies, or our automobiles. We know that the better we take care of them, the longer they're going to last. And that's the case with floor covering too as well. And when you purchase floor covering from us, we provide you with all the maintenance guides, warranty guides, and things like that. In fact, today, carpeting, in order to maintain the warranties on it, has to be professionally cleaned every 18 to 24 months, which we also do, is clean carpets at a discounted rate for our clients who have bought their carpet from us. So if you want to learn more about caring for your flooring, stop on in here at Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors and let us help you determine which is the best floor for your home and the easiest to take care of.